Hey, I wanted to talk to you all about something. There's this conversation going around between Google apps and Samsung apps, and I've been getting people on my comments, talking about that, and they've asked me why I don't use more of the Samsung apps. And it's not because I don't like the Samsung apps. I think the Samsung apps are actually pretty cool. The thing is, look, I think we've reached the point now in society, as far as like phones and software is concerned, people are kind of done experimenting, right? People know what services they want. It's almost like everyone's trying to consolidate what they're doing because time is valuable, right? Like people don't have time to figure out like a Google app and then they're going to jump onto a Samsung app. People don't have time for that. People are just, they know what they like now. We've passed that phase of trying to figure out what we're trying to do. So like, for example, the Samsung calendar, which is totally amazing, by the way. I love the Samsung calendar. I've used it for years. I think it's awesome. But my main calendar is the Google Calendar. And the reason it's the Google Calendar is I can go cross-platform, right? I can get on a Windows computer. I can get on a Mac. I can get on an iPhone. I can get on a Samsung phone. I can get on a Pixel. And I'm using the Google Calendar or any of the other Google services for that matter, any other Google apps, right? So that's the big thing. Because if you ever try, because I remember I was even trying to sideload the Google Calendar one time on a Pixel phone. Of course, it doesn't work, and I just thought maybe hey I could do it, and I tried every trick in the book, but anyway, it didn't work out. So that's the whole point, right? Now, if you are exclusively a Samsung Galaxy person, you're only using Galaxy phones, then yeah, you can, and look, not only that, if you're signing in to whatever calendar it is with your Gmail, it's not a big deal. You're going to be able to, all your stuff's going to like show up there and you'll be able to use it. So it's cool like that. Even if you get on an iPhone, you sign in with your Gmail, all of your calendar stuff pops up. So it's not that big of a deal. But what I'm talking about is just the way the app looks, the way the app behaves, the way the calendar behaves. And I'm just talking about the calendar. Say you're using Samsung reminders, and then all of a sudden you got to go use something else. That Samsung reminder app doesn't work anywhere else. So you're kind of stuck. You're kind of in a bad way there. So, yeah, you got to think about that, people. So if you're going to be using an app on a phone, whether it's an iPhone or a Galaxy phone or whatever phone, just remember, you might not have that phone. Your iPhone could break, and then the only phone available to you is an Android phone. And you're going to have to, yeah. So just remember, if you're signing into their Gmail, you should be good to go. But, all right, everybody, I just wanted to bring this up. Let me know in the comments how you all feel about this subject, what you all think about it. Do you like your Google apps? Do you like your Samsung apps better? All right, everybody, bye.